Yeah, hello, earlier. So welcome you all to my phone screen. I'm Crypto Lord. Yeah. So before we start today's episode or today's video, please, if you're new to this platform, go and subscribe and follow me on TikTok and YouTube. Yeah, and know that people are using my name to scam people. I will not be the first person to chat you about crypto or join my mentorship. I don't do that. Yeah. If you want to join my mentorship, I have my link in my TikTok bio, and I have, if you're watching me from YouTube, I have my link in my description and in my comment section. Yeah. So let's start. Today I want to show you how you can flip $10 to $100, yeah, using Bybit futures. So today we'll be training futures from the scratch. So if you're a beginner, I think today's video is for you. So watch it carefully, and if you want to join my mentorship to learn more too, I'm open for it. Yeah. So when you are a beginner, I have my Bybit link in the description. In case you want to register a Bybit account. Yeah. So after doing your registration and everything, it will be like this. So your account will be zero. So it means that you don't have anything in your Bybit wallet and you have to deposit money in it. So first of all, you just have to go to more and then go to pay to pay. So the pay to pay is a place where you'll be buying your coins or where you'll be buying your USDT to start. Yeah. So you will use your local fiat or your fiat to buy the crypto. Yeah. So when I come to the buy right now, you can see that like before I can get one USDT, I have to spend 13.74 Ghana cedis. But if you're in Nigeria and stuff, you can also see it in your local fiat. Yeah. So you just click on any of it. So let's say if I want to buy 1,000 worth of USDT, this is not for me. This person's limit is 500 to 579, so it's not for me. So I'll search for someone who has 1,000. So this person is from 300 to 2,540, and the price is 13.75. So I just click on buy here, and I'll click on, let's say, 1,000. So it means that if I want 1,000 USDT, if I want to buy USDT, spend 1,000, I'll get 72.72 USDT. But in this case, we want to flip $10 to $100, so I just have to go in for something small. Yeah, so something small. So I'll have to go in for something small like $100, 100 Ghana cedis here. Let me say 140. I'll be getting 10.18. So I'll click on buy and buy it. So when you buy the coin will be in your funding wallet, but in your funding wallet you can't use it to trade on spot or on futures unless you go to transfer. Then you transfer the coin from funding to unified trading. If you're using funding to unified trading. Yeah. So when it's here, just go to funding to unified trading. So max to unified trading. So right now I've transferred the money to the unified trading. So I'll just go to home, go to trade, and I'll switch it to futures at the top to futures. Yeah. So I'll switch it to futures. So in this case, I'll come to the plus over here, and I'll go to transfer. So in this case, I'm transferring it from the unified to the funding here. Yeah, so I'll click on the max here, confirm. Okay, yeah. From the funding to that place, yeah. From the funding to unified, yeah. So I'll click on the max here. Yeah. So I've seen it. At times when you do it over here, it comes because it's all unified. Yeah. But here, the update right now, you just have to click on the plus and you transfer it. So it means that at first we were able to do it over here from the funding to the unified, and it will reflect over there. But right now, if you want to transfer it to the futures, you just have to go to the futures wallet and do it over there. didn't just have to do it over there. Yeah, so this time you just have to go to the trade funding and you click on the plus over here and transfer it from the funding to the unified future trading here, or the spot trading here, spot wallet or the future wallet. Yeah, because here the spot, if you're using Binance, is spot, but if you're using Bybit, it's unified. Yeah, you just have to know it. Yeah, so right now it's my unified account. So this is how it is. So first of all, let me explain everything step by step. Everything that we have cross here, the cross means that if I have, let's say, 100 and I want to use, let's say, only, okay, I have 20 right now and I want to use only $10 to trade. When I hit my stop loss, it can go straight to the rest of the money. You see that thing? Yeah, it can cross the one I'm using to trade to the rest of the money. But if I use isolated that one, the money I'm using it for trade, if it's finished, it's finished. If it's done, it's done. And we have this one. I hope you all know this thing. Yeah, so you just have to like set it to, let's say, 5 times, or it depends on the money. So when you're using Binance, let me go to the Binance and show you something. If I'm using Binance on, you see that the Binance start from 1. You see that thing? It starts from what? It starts on 1. Yeah, but over here it's also from what? 1 to 25 times. But you can see Binance on 1 to 20. That's the difference I want to show you. But here it's 1 to 25 times. But the Binance own, the leverage is from 1 to 20. But over here the leverage is from 1 to 25. You see that thing? And you know what the leverage means? So if I set the leverage to 25, it means that every pip is plus 25 for me. Every loose pip is minus 25 for me. Yeah, so it depends on the money you are using to trade. So the higher the money, the higher the leverage. Yeah, so because I'm using 10, I can choose to use times 2. Yeah, 2 times. So it means that every percentage I'll be getting times 2. Every loose percentage I'll be getting minus 2. It's that thing. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, so you set it to isolated, and right now you're using $10 to trade. So I have to set it to isolated because I don't want it to cross to the rest of the 10. Yeah, and the leverage to have to set it to 2 times. Yeah, and after that we have limit and market order. This one I just use the 2, but I normally use the limit because the limit you can set your own entry, but when it's the market price, that one you can't change any price. I would say that the price is not there. But if I use the limit, I can choose the money I want to buy and everything. Yeah. So you see that the limit of market here, the price will be off and the quantity will be there. Yeah. So I'll set it to limit, and here I will choose 10. Everything. It means that I want the quantity of what? $10 off. So, and over here, this is what people don't understand. The quantity, the price, like, let me show you something. The price here is your entry. The price over there is the entry, and the quantity is the price. So you can set to, let's say, order by value to USDT. You see that thing? Order by value to USDT. But me, I normally choose this one. Yeah. So over here, the entry I want to enter in is what? 0.003232. That's my entry, and my price that I want to spend is 10. You see that then? Yeah, so this is it. Then after that, I will choose TP and stop loss, because I have to choose take profit and stop loss, because like it's not every time that we get the time to watch the chart and everything. Yeah. So my take profits have to be more than the entry price. So let's say 0.0039. That's my take profit, and my stop loss should be 0.0031. Should be lesser than the entry that yeah. So this is it. Then you go long or short. So the long means that, let me go to the chart and show the long. So the long means that when it's going green, that means I'm earning money. That's the long. So if I say long and it comes short, it comes to red, I'm losing money with that. You see, so when I go to short and it's going green, top, that means I'm losing money with that. But when I go short and it's coming red, it means that I'm earning money with that. So that's how it is. You see that thing? That is how it is. Yeah. So when I click on the long, it means that when it's going green, I'm making money with that. But when it's going red, I'm losing money with that. So when I click on the short, when it's going green, I'm losing money with that. When it's going red, I'm making money with that. So that's how it is. Yeah. So this is how it is. So you first of all check the chart and see where it's going right now. You see that thing, where it's going right now. Yeah. So you can check, let's say 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame is going red. It's going down. You see, it's going down. Yeah. So this is how it is. This is how you trade futures on Bybit. Yeah. So if you don't understand